Traveling to Europe this fall? September through October offers the best balance between pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and better prices. Your ideal travel companion is here. BN has a European travel adapter. Make your travels more efficient by taking along a European travel adapter from BN. This travel adapter is compatible with over 40 European countries. Just to name a few: Europe, of course, Iceland, Spain, Italy, France, and Germany. Let's check it out. This is actually a dual pack. They have a single pack. I will be providing the Amazon links down below for both the single pack and the dual pack. Let's check it out. So honestly, I've never been to Europe. So this is what the actual back of it looks like. Interesting. Now this is a 7-in-1 travel adapter. You actually have 4 American standard outlets. And then you have 3 USB ports, which is across the bottom. This is actually 40% faster than your standard charger. Almost dropped it. Make sure to take along a European travel plug adapter on your next trip to Europe. Links will be provided down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.